So what's next? Democrats in Virginia are asking that question after the state Supreme Court threw out the vote to change the congressional map. But now some lawmakers are getting the U.S. Supreme Court involved, today filing an emergency appeal to the nation's highest court to halt the state-level ruling. Virginia Democrats hope to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court after Friday's defeat by the state, rendering the April 21st vote to alter the congressional maps null and void. If a stay of the ruling is granted, analysts say it's hard to tell if the Supreme Court will even hear the case.
The U.S. Supreme Court tends to give credence to the rulings of the state Supreme Court because those courts or usually the final say when it comes to issues of state law.
The Virginia Supreme Court is the final authority on Virginia constitutional questions. This is the end, folks.
But in the meantime, as Democrats scrambled over next steps, political analyst Eric Claville says they could use this defeat as a way to mobilize voters.
At this point, the message for the Democrats has to be one message around democracy. I believe it has to be one message around affordability.
Republicans feel confident the ruling sets the stage for promising outcomes from the midterms. Analysts say Democrats have several issues on their side.
Given what is happening in the world, given the hardships that are placed upon military families, that can be seen as a liability for the holders of congressional seats 1 and 2, and definitely a value to those who are challenging.
So, as of right now, the 6-5 congressional map in Virginia that gives Democrats an edge remains in place.